Well, hello there everyone. I'm just sort of parked here at the side at a park. It's just me and this other vehicle over there. I think they're doing what I'm doing. Just sort of like hanging out, and it's dark outside and it looks like it's about to rain. And you could probably hear my fan just right behind me right now. And it's keeping me cool. It's quite humid. But if it gets too crazy and kind of too hot, what I do is I put on my dancing shoes. Actually, no, I don't. I don't have dancing shoes. I haven't been dancing in like a bazillion years. Anyway, I put on my 12 volt AC, which you can't see very well, but it's there. It's at the back there. Yeah. So this is just a random video, and I think I'm going to be doing more of this. Yeah, random video. Sort of like you sort of like get a sneak peek of what I'm doing throughout the day or what I'm up to at that time. Granted, I do work like full time. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Just wait 1 second. I'm going to turn off the fan. There we go. Now it's a little quieter. So yeah, I'm going to start doing some random videos, just posting it with no real expectation, but just to sort of show you some of the stuff that I'm doing. I could be walking in a park. I could be jousting with Canada geese or something, or trying to avoid them or running away from them. I could also be waiting for a pizza. Or I could just be doing what I'm doing right now, just sort of like just chilling out and relaxing and writing up a script for something I'm working on for one of my friends. So yeah, so I have that little table set up there. So I made a video of that too. So boy, if I got a nickel for every time I said so. I don't even know how to sew. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at my hair. I've got nap head. And as such, there. I said something else other than so. As such, I'm going to start doing these random videos. Now, it doesn't mean I'm not going to be doing any type of other video, but just these random videos that I think might kind of work. And if you like it, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm sorry, I'm shaking the camera. If you like it, please let me know, and I'll keep doing it. Otherwise, maybe I won't do it so much. But I think for me, I'm going to do these random videos, and I'm going to create a new playlist called Random Playlist. That's why that way it's not in the main playlist. Yeah, like that. And really, I just thought about it. I posted that little clip about the rain, and that kind of made me happy because it's sort of like a little snippet, a little snapshot of what's going on and what could possibly be important for me to show at that time. And it doesn't even have to be van related, right? Even though, as long as I'm in my van, I guess it is van related, right?